It's a 67 Chevy C10. My wife actually drove it in high school. Her dad bought it for her in about 1975. It's been a little while back. Paid $100 for it, and they fixed it up some together. My father-in-law used it for a work truck for quite a few years. And then in 2016, brought it back to Texas and did a frame-off restoration on it. So that's the story behind it. Well, we had a guy in Texas do most of the restoration for us. A shop in Amarillo did the interior, and a gentleman from Canyon, Texas cut the bed and stuff like that for me, and it just got all put together. And I'm real proud of the interior. It's different. You know, just take a little at a time, do what you can, consider what you really want to do with it, you know.